Hi, good morning. When the coffee machine break down and had to do it myself. Had to buy this screwdriver from Daiso. You see this? This is the screwdriver. I need to buy this. And now we're going to try fixing this machine as it broke down. And we need to have it working in a day. Let's try it. So there we go. Let's fix this. Okay, so far this is what I got inside. It's got stuck, some things stuck inside. And yes. So let's try turning it on and we'll see if it's working this time. Oh, it's still not working. As you can see, the machine's still not working. Yeah. Coin, coin, coin. Saan 50 ba ito? 50 ba isa coin? May 50 ba isang coins ba tayo dito? Garden and stock up. Stock inside. Maybe the one using the streets. Use the machine itself. Yeah. not working. Hey ma'am, can I help you? Let's check again. It's working. It's working. Wow, bravo, I made it. You see guys, the machine was finally working as I finally, and it took out all the cardamom peel, all the beans inside that's been trapped. Now as I loosen it a little by little, and now I made it. Now my machine is perfectly working. So no need for a technician, and we save money to pay for the fixing of the machine. Yeehaw, I can do it myself. See? I made it. I made it myself. Now the machine is working. Perfect. So guys, now the machine is finally working. Now, it's time for me to screw back all the things that I need from it. This one, I put it back using the screw, and I'll screw it back using the one that I buy from Daiso. The screw that I buy from Daiso. At least now, no more headache. I can sell coffee. I fixed the machine by myself, so I believe I can do it. Now, it's time to put it back. Screw in the lock using the screw. So let's use the smallest one, the smallest screw. Smallest screwdriver I mean. It's not a screw, it's a driver. This is the smallest driver that we're going to use to lock that. So finally made it. Finally done the fixing of the machine. As you can see, the machine is now properly working, perfectly working. But the problem that I have to do now, that I have to fix now, the only problem that I have now is to segregate the coffee, the mixture of coffee, cardamom, coffee and the cardamom that the customer can sell. It's a canceled order, as you can see, because the machine broke down. The machine break down by the time that I am grinding it. So now it's a headache. It's a problem, but anyway, I have to do it. The segregation of the coffee, 2 types of coffee and a cardamom. Okay.